Hello my friends, I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, as usual you go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted a file. Drag and drop text number 1, connect to the media out. Press number 2 on the keyboard for the media out, and then you will get animation when you click play. Just like this. When I'm on group, you will get this, and the first this is for the line. As you can see, animation is done in the rectangle for the height is bouncing, and animation for the start and end. For the end it just will disappear and connected to the merge with the texts. You have 3 texts go inside 3 merges, and these 3 merges are sliding to the right individually for every text. First one, second and third, just like this. And the last one, when everything go back, this is done in this last merge here, and we will slide all the way to the left, and everything disappears at 5-second mark. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.